Do you want to learn how to speed up your Windows 10 computer? I'm Mike LaCasio. My channel's about how to maintain your computer and repair your computer. And I teach people simple, basic things that anybody can do to get their computer working better. And let's get started. I'm going to show you a few computer tips and tricks that you can do. And here it goes. We'll start with Power Plan. Go down to the Start search box down here on the bottom. And that's your search box next to the Windows icon. And type in Power Plan. And then go to choose a power plan. And when you get to that box, it's probably going to be on balance. Change that to high performance. And then close out that window. And the next thing I want to show you is some registry tweaks that you can do. So what you do is you go back down to the Start Windows icon here. You right click the Windows icon and you click Run. And then you type in the Run box regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. We're going to go into the registry. Now click OK. You may get a box that says, do you want this application to make changes to your device? And you click yes. And then you'll get a box like this. That's your registry. And then you're going to start by going to Heike Current User. You double click on that. And then you go into down here, let's see what we got. Control Panel, click Control Panel. And double click on the mouse folder, which is down here. Okay, you click on the mouse folder. And then you want to go to the right here, and then you want to go to mouse hovering time. Double click that. And it'll say 400 in there, and erase that and put in 10. And then you can close that out. Hit OK and close that out. And that'll help with your mouse response time. So you just change the value to that. Now come back on the left side and double click where it says Desktop. And then you got the desktop one over here, and you have to scroll a little bit down. So scroll a little bit down, and we're going to change another one. Let's see where we're looking for. We're looking for mouse show delay. So you're going to go to mouse show delay. Okay. Still looking for mine. I know it's in here. Mouse show delay. Actually, that's not the right one. Going to be well, I don't think I have it in mind. But if you have mouse show delay on yours, double click it and change the number 400 to 10 and then hit OK. And that will speed up your mouse response when you click on it. And that'll make your computer run faster. And also, I always specify to make sure you have these 3 programs on your computer: CCleaner, Advanced Antivirus, and Malwarebytes. These 3 programs are all free programs, and you can download them at download.com and run each program, and it will definitely speed up your computer and You'll get a lot of benefit out of that. So again, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. And if you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any videos. I come out with videos every couple days on how to maintain your computer and how to repair your computer. This is Mike Licasio. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.